What if I told you that a coin many people still ignore today, a coin often mistaken for something ordinary, could actually carry a story of power, change, and hidden value? The 1980p Susan B. Anthony dollar is not just a piece of metal. It's a symbol of a turning point in American history, a bold step that placed a real woman, a leader, on U.S. currency in a way never seen before. And yet, despite its importance, millions of people overlook it, spend it, or forget it exists without ever asking the one question that matters. What is it really worth? Let's go deeper into this coin, because the moment you truly understand it, you will never look at it the same way again. On one side, you see Liberty, designed in the image of Susan B. Anthony, a woman who fought relentlessly for equal rights and left a legacy that reshaped a nation. Surrounding her are the powerful words Liberty and I in God We Trust, words that carry weight far beyond their simple appearance. And then on the reverse side, an eagle landing on the moon, a design inspired by the spirit of exploration and achievement, framed by United States of America and E Pluribus Unum. This is not just art, this is storytelling pressed into metal. But here's where things get interesting, and where most people get it completely wrong. The 1980p Susan B. Anthony dollar was minted in large numbers, which means at first glance, it doesn't seem rare. And that's exactly why people underestimate it. Because in the world of coins, rarity is not just about how many were made, it's about how many survived in exceptional condition. A coin that has been scratched, worn, or damaged over time loses its sharpness, its detail, its appeal. But a coin that looks almost untouched, with crisp edges and clean surfaces, that's where collectors start paying attention. Now imagine this scenario. Two identical coins from 1980. One has spent decades being used in everyday transactions, passed from hand to hand, dropped, scratched, faded. The other quietly stored away, protected from damage, holding on to its original shine. To most people, they're the same, but to a collector, they are worlds apart. That difference alone can change the value dramatically. And that's the invisible line between ordinary and extraordinary. But wait, there's another layer that makes this coin even more fascinating. Some 1980p Susan B. Anthony dollars carry subtle variations and minting quirks, tiny details that are easy to miss but incredibly important. Slight differences in strike quality, surface finish, or alignment can make one coin more desirable than another. These are not obvious at first glance. You have to look closer, slower, more carefully. Because sometimes the smallest detail holds the biggest secret. And here's something even deeper. This coin represents a moment when history tried something new. It was one of the first US coins to feature a real woman instead of a symbolic figure. That alone gives it a unique place in the timeline of American currency. But at the time, the coin struggled in circulation. People confused it with quarters because of its size and color. It was rejected, overlooked, and eventually faded from everyday use. And yet today, that very rejection has made it more intriguing to collectors. Now think about that for a second. A coin that people once avoided, now being carefully studied, collected, and valued. That shift is what makes coin collecting so powerful. Value is not just created, it evolves. What seems ordinary today can become extraordinary tomorrow. And those who recognize that early are the ones who benefit the most. So if you have a 1980p Susan B. Anthony dollar, don't rush to spend it. Take a moment. Look at it closely. Check its condition, its details, its overall appearance. Because the truth is, most people never look twice. And that's exactly why opportunities exist, for those who do. In the end, this coin is more than just currency. It's a lesson, a reminder that value is often hidden in plain sight, that history can live in the smallest objects, and that sometimes the things we overlook the most hold the greatest potential. And when it comes to its worth, depending on condition, rarity of features, and collector demand, this coin can range from just a single dollar to several $100s in exceptional cases.